Hey everyone, it's the Vigilante. Dito Montel's Riff tries to blend crime, comedy, and family drama, but never quite nails any of them. The film boasts a solid cast: Jennifer Coolidge, Pete Davidson, Bill Murray, and Ed Harris, but they all just phone in performances we've seen from them before. The story follows a chaotic family entanglement involving crime, mystery, and dysfunctionality relationship, but the screenplay struggles to balance its tone. It jumps between quirky banter and serious thriller elements without committing to either, leaving the audience disconnected. There are a few bright spots. Miles J. Harvey DJ brings some charm, and the flashbacks add a bit of emotional depth, but they are not enough to save a movie that feels like a watered-down version of Goodfellas or No Country for Old Men. By the time the violent out-of-place finale arrives, you're left wondering what the movie really was trying to be. A wasted cast and uneven tone make this one forgettable crime comedy. Stream it if you're curious, but don't expect much.